Let's go. You know it.
What up, gang? Welcome back. We interrupt this video to bring you part 2. And for part 2, I'm just gonna jump right in it. Like I said, I had some parts on the way and they did come in. So I'm gonna show you guys what it is, what I'm talking about. And we're gonna go from there. Hold up. You remember that from the previous video, right? All right, this is the interior lighting right now. I'll show you. The light you see. It's the map light. Here. Well, it's right here. Duh. Right here, remember my face. There's one on here too. Oh, right there. This is the back door on the driver's side. Again, the back dome light. Looking up to the front. You see. Okay, we're on the passenger side. This is the passenger side back door view. Let's go up to the front. Again, you remember that from the previous video. This is the passenger front side. So this is what the interior lighting looks like currently. That's boy, here is another light. So we're gonna swap them out and show you the results. Stay tuned. All right, so like I said, I did order some new parts that came in, and I'm going to add them into I'm going to include them into this video, and they are some interior lights, LED lights, you know, just to brighten up the interior, man, so we can see up in here, man. Yeah, so I'm just going to jump right into it. I ain't going to hold you. Let's get it. By the way, what was included in the light kit was this tool you see here. However, it is not working out for me, so I'm gonna go back to the old-fashioned way and use a good old flathead screwdriver. This has been working for me, no problem. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so I removed the dome light that was plugged underneath the steering wheel here, plugged in right here. So now to get to the bulb, I just slide this piece like that, like so. And I'm just gonna replace this is the bulb that was in there. I'm just gonna replace this bulb and re-plug it back in and do everything in reverse. All right, here we go. So I'm just gonna take out the bulb like that. Put the other one in. Uh-oh, that's not fitting. Let me see. Is there another one? Uh-oh. Please hold. It don't look like it's fitting in there. Did we get the right ones or what? Hold up. Well, it turns out that is not the right bulb. Therefore, I ain't gonna hold you. And I ain't gonna put that part number in the link below. All right? So I'm gonna have to send that back too. And go back to the drawing board, ladies and gentlemen. On that note, man, thank you for tuning in. Hopefully, I get this fixed real soon. You already know what to do. You know the rest, man. If you haven't already, go ahead and do so. I'm out. All right. So a few of the bulbs did fit in other places, but everywhere that bulb was needed that I just showed you in that other part did not fit. So I swapped out the ones that did, and I also broke a light. I'll show you that right now. In the process, I actually broke this one. It was my fault, but it does work. See this piece right here? Now I have to replace that. But yeah, it does work. The bulb is in there. You can see it right there, and it works. It just the connector here is broken, so I have to hunt for that now. More work, but as you can see, this one over here is in position and functioning properly. That's the rear tailgate light, and this is the inside of the trunk. Still haven't swapped this one out. It takes that long bulb like you see first. I don't have the bulb that it doesn't fit. So I don't know, should I keep them like that or send the whole kit back? What y'all think, man? Leave me a comment, man. Let me know, should I, because I want to have one complete set, you feel me? So all the lights are the same. But so hopefully they can exchange out the ones I need, and we'll see. I'll reach out to them and let them know and send pictures as proof. So y'all let me know, what should I do? Should I send the whole complete kit back or just replace the ones that don't fit? See, this is the one I broke. See, it's working, but it's this piece here that needs to be fixed now. So now I got more work on top of work that I already have. So frustrating, but I'll get it done. I'll fix it. Stay tuned. Right here is the side puddle light under the mirror, underneath the mirror you see here. I'm replacing that one too because the bulb fits in there. So, and I'm gonna do the passenger side right now. So these are all the old bulbs that I switched out so far. There are 5. I did the 2 passenger and both driver side rear doors, the 2 puddle mirrors, and 2 of the back tailgate lights. Should be another one. 2, 4. There should be 6. So I'm missing 1. Hold on. There it is. It was hidden in here. It was inside of here. Yeah, I did 6 so far. I'll show you the results. So hold up. All right. So I just left the dealership. I had to run over there to get the replacement light that I broke while I was changing, and I got it right here. I already put the bulb in, the brand new bulb, so I'm gonna do an install and show y'all. Yeah, that this is the actual brand new. So hold up. Okay, so $36.95 later, I got this one because I broke this one as I was taking it out. So this took about 2 days to come in, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in, man, and show you it works. I already put the light bulb in there, as you can see, through his right here, that yellow spot. That's it. See it right there? So it's already in there. I took the new one out. It came with the new bulb. This is brand new. I just took it out and replaced it already. And as you can see, it is connected and on. So now I just have to put it in where it goes. And there you go. We're Gucci. All right, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, here we go. Changed out all the lights except the 2 mirror lights above the passenger and driver's side. You know the sun visors, in other words. But other than that, man, those are special batteries that I have to order. But other than that, like I said, man, this is, the upgraded version, basically. That's my bathroom light, the one that's dim in the back. So that's the house, that's inside the home. That's LED, is just the windows make it look like it's not. I'll be on the driver's side. Yeah. See that up there? You remember that once again. I can't open the door completely because I'm leaning on my son's car trying to shoot this video. Yeah. This is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I mean. I have to change the batteries out of here. The sun visor. They work. They came on earlier, but I gotta just order the correct size battery for those. And that's both this one and this one here. Gas pedal in the brake view. All right, y'all. You already know what to do. I ain't gonna even tell you no more, man. See you in the next video.